My name is Kirk Keel. I'm the Manufacturing Engineering Manager at Climate by Design International. One of the best opportunities that I had was to sit down and talk about the growth. The opportunity to bring process improvement, process flow to some manufacturing facilities that were close to home here in Owatonna just really excited me. One of our values is being humble, and I think that really follows true. As a team member, you want to be able to help your teammates be successful. So sometimes we push each other to help come up with a better idea, but then again, we're also there to support each other when times are tough. Celebrations and activities here are really fun. I think that helps with the team morale. We were outside today playing in a beanbag tournament. Some of my most memorable ones are, we do some things during the holiday season, so like the Thanksgiving dinner, we were able to have that here in our new building all together as one big family, which kind of helped out from a Thanksgiving perspective. Another one is in the evenings, we also provide some of the same thing for some of the off shifts. And I've had the opportunity to come back and work with those teams. Of course, we get to feed them food, but also gives us a good time to interact and talk through some of the things, not just on a work basis, but also on a personal basis. It's helped us grow together as a team and build better relationships. I had a personal situation that happened shortly after I started. And my manager, my leader at the time said, "Kirk, you work for a different organization now. Make sure your family's taken care of. So go take care of your family. We'll work this out when things are situated." So in those couple days, it was really kind of a tough situation, but it was nice to know that I worked for an organization that not only trusted in me, but believed in me and gave me an opportunity to be part of their family. Everybody wants to make sure that things are okay. So they'll ask, "How's your day?" And I honestly believe, genuinely they ask. It's not just the passing in the morning that says, "Good morning, how are you today?" And you could say, "I fell off a truck." And they would say, "Oh, that's good." It's actual true family participation. People genuinely care. And then the other piece is, I know we make a difference. The product lines that we produce, whether it's the disaster recovery area or surgical suites, all the way to new technology pieces, those challenges are there because in a lot of places this hasn't been vetted out. So it gives us an opportunity to look at new technology, be challenged every day to work through some of those struggles and learn as we build our products. Our building is a beautiful building. We get an opportunity to walk into an air-conditioned building even on those super hot days. You know, we kind of put our money where our mouth is when it comes to the opportunity of how can we provide a perfect climate for our employees. Our production floor, we use one of our units. Our climate is great every day. So it's cool, it's comfortable, it's dry. It gives us an opportunity to come and focus on our work rather than, "Oh my goodness, it's really hot today. Boy, it's steamy out." We're able to go to work in a comfortable environment and be able to build products that help others. The Petersons have given us an opportunity to have a building that we can call our home. I think that it's really family oriented. We give an opportunity to be flexible, yet again, challenging. And those things really help us, not just from a production standpoint, but within the community. I think that the position that we take in our community is important to us. And I think also as we move forward, the amount of growth and scalability that we have is just endless.